Today's lesson is involving geometry. The concept that I will be teaching over is a kindergarten standard from the Common Core. The standard that I will be teaching is correctly naming shapes regardless of their overall size. As we know, shapes are used in our world today in a variety of ways. We use shapes in all curriculum areas. That is why it is important that we teach the children to be able to understand shapes, that no matter what their sizes are, that they are still considered the same shape. Shapes are also used for identifying and organizing visual information. So today, my manipulatives are some household items. Here I have a lid and a sealer for another lid. As you can tell, these shapes are both circles. You have a larger circle and a smaller circle. Even though this object is bigger than this object, we can both easily identify that they hold the same standards and they are both circles. So we don't have a square cut out, or we don't have a square here, we don't have a triangle here. They are both circles, they are both the same shape, just different sizes. So next we're going to go on to our next manipulative, which is again a household item. As you can tell, this box is a rectangle shape. It's three-dimensional essentially, but that's okay. So as we can tell, it's a bigger rectangle. And here I have a note card, which is as you can tell, a smaller version of a rectangle. No matter what, even though this box is bigger, and it's still a rectangle. And no matter how small this goes, it will still eventually be a rectangle. The length, the size of the shape doesn't matter. If you begin to change how the shape appears, how it looks, that's whenever you become difficulties and you run into problems. But if you keep the same, the shape, the same factors that they are, then it doesn't matter if you have a big rectangle, a small rectangle, a big circle, or a small circle. No matter what, the shapes are going to be the same. So as we know that we need to correctly name the shapes regardless of their overall size. So you would know that even though this is a big rectangle, you still have a small rectangle. Both shapes are still rectangles.